Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you're all well. The weather is getting colder and I think we have to prepare for winter. So I'm going to make a series of immune system boosting food. And today I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy kale and spinach boosters accordingly. And I also recommend detoxing your body and eating healthily and sleeping well. This will be very good for you. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to make a kale and the onion and spinach and spring green onion so they can easy to absorb into our body, so it will help us to improve our immune system. As you know, the kale and spinach is a super healthy food, and when you eat with onion family, onion has a lot of quercetin, which this will help to absorb zinc into our body. Method is really simple, just steam them or slightly boil them and then mix with spinach with spring green onion and kale with raw onion. Quercetin in both this spring green onion and onion will help to absorb zinc into our body. That will help strengthen our immune system, which is going to be really important in this winter because COVID-19 is still out there and threatening us. So let's just strengthen our immune system. Simply, I will marinate this onion, cut in half and slice it thinly as possible. Vinegar also kills viruses. Use good quality of apple cider vinegar with the mother. So just a tablespoon, and if you marinate it now, it will soften the flavor so it's not too strong. So do this first. Now slice this spring green onion, slice it thinly as well. Spring green onion is chopped, so the same, I will add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to use sesame seed oil for this spinach, about a tablespoon. And this is from Korea. This is bamboo salt. So this is get rid of these toxins in the sea salt. If you are worried about toxicity in the sea salt, I recommend you to use this bamboo salt. This is quite tasty as well. It's a slightly sweet flavor. Half teaspoon bamboo salt, and also in here is a half teaspoon bamboo salt. Mix it, and this is onion. So then this salt will pull out this flavor from onions, so it is a nice sweet flavor, not the strong onion flavor. And I will use this olive oil. In both dressing, I'm going to also add this honeyed garlic. If you don't have honeyed garlic, just you can grate 1 clove garlic, so that will be fine too. I make this honeyed garlic so I can drink it with water, or I use this for dressing, spread on the bread, and this is really useful. So before winter season, I recommend you to make this one. I will put the link on, so please make it. Very useful. And this make it really dressing tastes really good too. So when you prepare the onion like this, you can eat raw onion, but it is not strong, so you can enjoy both nutritional benefit as well as the flavor. Okay, very good. I really recommend. Just slice by size. If you slice evenly, it will cook all at the same time. And also when you boil this potato, you better put a little bit of salt as well. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so I will cook this for half an hour. When it starts to boil, I will reduce the heat and simmer for half an hour, and that cooked potato beautifully. When it's almost cooked, I will put this kale in there, and then take it out, and then put this spinach later, and that will cook. So you don't need to use 2 pans in this case. The potatoes on the bottom, and you put it on. Basically, steam the kale and spinach, not boiling. It works very well. Okay, let's start. So preparing this kale, strip, see it like this, and then tear them like into bite size. See, kale has a lot of vitamin C as well, so lots of vitamins and minerals and quercetin and zinc. This one has zinc as well, so zinc is a very important mineral for our immune system. Potato is almost cooked, so I will steam this kale. Need 3 to 4 minutes. Kale is almost cooked, so I will put the kale in the dressing directly. Because kale is hot, so it will quickly cook. So it is not really raw, but slightly softened. Actually, in this way, you get most of benefits. See, look at this color, lovely. Potato need another few minutes, so I will now steam the spinach. Now I'm mixing through this. Add the sesame seed. Sesame seed has lots of calcium, so use a lot. Done. Spinach has been done as well. So this way you can steam 2 vegetables. Okay, it's done. So this is immune boosting dinner. Immune boosting kale and spinach.
Oh, good.
I know you don't like spinach.
No, I'm not keen on it.
No.
But anyway, we'll try it.
And I don't normally cook both at the same time.
No, that's true.
But today just showing how to make it different, slightly different way. You can make the same method, but with spinach with a spring onion and kale with a raw onion.
Right.
So hope you like it. You can be a Popeye tomorrow morning. What do you think?
That kale's good with the onion.
Onion, and I put a little bit of honeyed garlic.
Mm-hmm.
That also helps. Because this is focus on immune boosting meal. Kale is superfood, and
It's
with
needed at the moment.
Yeah, and with onion has quercetin, which is also improve our immune system. So when you eat kale with the onion together, it will absorb zinc better. So zinc is also important for our immune system. Try spinach.
I'll do this first. That's like the spinach.
I think the sesame seed oil works well with this spinach. I put the olive oil in there and sesame seed for spinach.
It certainly improved it.
Yeah, because you don't like this earthy flavor.
No. Well, as you know, I'm not all that keen on spinach. Yeah, but that's good.
That's good. Great.
That's good. Yeah, that's it. Using the onion and the sesame oil has definitely improved it. So that's just lively. That's your answer on the potatoes. That's lively.
Potato is really sweet, isn't it?
Very. Nice texture as well. They're the Riverford ones.
How was it?
Yeah, that was good considering it's not my favourite spinach or kale, but yeah, that was good.
Great.
And of course the benefit is it's going to improve or strengthen the immune system.
Yeah, that's right. Definitely we need this, especially in this winter.
Well, with the COVID thing, certainly, yeah. And that helps. Yeah, I mean that's not got a strong earthy flavour, which is good.
Yeah.
As you know, that's what I don't like.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay, it's not got that earthy flavour.
No.
Thumbs up, I think.
Thumbs up? Oh, Oh, thank you very much. Thumbs up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So hope you enjoy my recipe and thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and be healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye.